Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to add crypto payments to your WordPress now. So it's really simple. So first thing you will have to go is add the new plugins in plugins and then search for your pre-owned. So search for it right here, multi-cryptocurrency payments, install now. From there you activate it once it's installed and then you go to WooCommerce settings from there and then the add new plugins and then from there you want to go to the payment and now the payment address will be listed right here. So these are the listed cryptocurrency addresses that you can place it on. So you place your own address right here, of course. You have Bitcoin and Bitcoin testnet, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, TRC, and Tether, USD, and USD coin with TRC20 network compatibility. So you have the percentage right here with the processing fee plan, adjustment factor, Aprion logo, and you have that. So save settings from there, and then there you go. It's just that simple. So that's how you add crypto payments to your WordPress right now. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.